So, you know that phone that looks like it just came out of a video game? Yeah, this one, Infinix GT30 Pro. It's flashy, loud, and literally has RGB on the back. But here's the question. Does it actually perform as a gamer's phone, or is it just the RGB pretending to be performance? Let's talk about the GT30 Pro. The GT30 Pro looks insane. To me, it's not giving that budget ROG phone vibes. Angular camera bump, glowing back, and even shoulder triggers that actually click. Honestly, I do love it. It's unapologetically a gamer's phone. And the RGB is not just for show. You can customize it. It pauses when you're making calls, when it's charging, basically when it wants attention. Out of the box, it comes with a couple of accessories. 2 cases, the charging brick, an earphone, a phone cooler, and the phone itself. Now, this display, it's a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel, 144Hz refresh rate, 1.5K resolution, which means scrolling feels smoother than that friend who slides into every single DM. No hard feelings. On top of the phone, it's got a speaker, a mic, and a remote sensor thing that lets you control your devices with your phone. An RI blaster. At the bottom, you've got a second speaker, a Type-C port, a second mic, and a SIM card tray. So basically it's a dual stereo speaker, tuned by JBL. On the right side, it's got 2 GT trigger buttons, your volume button, and a very well highlighted power button. On the left side is just plain and empty. No side mounted fingerprints, so it's under display biometric. And if it makes it feel any better, it's IP64 rated, which means it can survive some splashes here and there and dust. On the back is where we have the customizable, well-designed RGB lighting. Earlier on, I mentioned it comes with 2 cases. So one of that case is a MagSafe case, which lets you slap on the phone cooler when playing games. And it's also very, very aesthetically pleasing. So it's a gaming phone, blah, blah, blah. What's actually under the hood? It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350, which sounds fancy enough to make you feel like you're getting a flagship performance. It comes with 12 gigs of RAM. 12 gigs. 256, 512, UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. No provision for memory card or SD card as we all know it, but if multitasking is your issue, this beast has got you covered. So, $1,000,000 question. What's a gaming phone without its battery? Let's find out. Battery life, 5,500 mAh. Gaming is pretty decent. Bringing streaming and your eyes will beg for mercy. Charging, 45 watts fast charging, 30 watts wireless charging. How did they manage to put in wireless charging in a plastic phone, not a glass back? At some point, I thought it was really impossible. That's why only phones with glass back come with wireless charging. But obviously, this proves me completely wrong. To add things up, see that thing that comes with the phone, that thing that cools the phone when you play games, the phone cooler, yeah. It can also charge your phone wireless. Speaking of cooling, Infinix says the GT30 Pro comes with a 3D vapor chamber cooling system. Fancy word. Cameras are okay. It comes with a 108 megapixel camera, main sensor. Sounds very crazy on paper, by the way. It's social media ready. It's not award winning, but it gets the job done. As for the front camera, it's a 13 megapixel camera. Gaming oriented, nothing too crazy, but for a day-to-day user, gets the job done. The GT30 Pro runs on Android 15 with XOS 15.1, which means tons of customization, but here's the verdict. If you want a clean minimalist phone, it's not it. If you want an elegant camera beast, also not it. But if you love gaming, RGB, and performance that feels flagshipish without spending flagshipish kind of money, the GT30 Pro is 100% worth it. Or if you love something that can perform and is affordable, The GT30 Pro is also perfect. Speaking of price, the GT30 Pro cost about 550,000 naira. Anyway, that's what I think about the GT30 Pro. Would you game on it or would you daily it? Let me know in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, do well to hit the subscribe button so as to turn on the RGB lighting, and I'll see you in the next one.